So guys, this is the other carbon fiber. It's low, not high. It says black and white, but it's black on black. So again, I only buy at Nike.com for retail. I don't pay for resale price. I don't get for StockX. I only bought once from eBay, which is that one. It's Jordan Legacy 312s. I could have gotten for the same price at StockX, but then I'm like on StockX, like you cannot see the product beforehand, so sometimes it's a hassle. Like if you get a wrong pair, they're gonna change it and you're gonna lose the money. But then I was getting a good deal on that one. Like I paid 4 for the shipping and 90 for the entire thing, and it came in a new box. The only fault is, if you can see, like even this got, when she was packaging, the person was packaging and she taped it, so the bubble wrap, it got like slightly loose, and then the tape got stuck on the box. So as I was unboxing it, like the tape scratched on it. So enough for that, let's unbox this one. Okay, so this is, okay, so it's upside down. Let me take it outside. Okay, so box got a bit damaged on the top. As you can see, there is no mark on the box on the top. As you can see, it came out on this box, but there is no mark on it, but the box is slightly damaged. So yeah, I hope it's not a big deal, but let's see. UK 8.5, it says Air 1 Low SE, black and white, no air black, but it's not black and white, it's black on black. The Jumpman logo in the front, on the side, and on the side. The same number 23 all over the wrap. You see, it says black and white, but the white part is only in the midsole. So, and carbon fiber is only in the swoosh in this one. Yeah, this is actually not bad. Like I had reverse bread, I traded it for 101, 102 pound, got 15-20 quid on that. This one, this looks like I should keep it, but let's see the entire thing. This one actually looks pretty neat. Like unlike other lows, the material used is fine. The black sole, the Jordan stitching in the rear. Yep, this actually looks pretty cool. Not too bad, not too bad. Yeah, this is the first look. Like they used pretty shiny leather over here, but this is decent. You see, indirect, like it looks like a honeycomb, but then it's the carbon fiber texture goes all the way back, and then on the side to the other side of the swoosh. So yeah, this was the first look. Now for the on feed. So this is the on feed review of All Star Fiber SE, like Air Force Air Jordan 1 Low SE. all star black and white they say, but it's black on black. I don't know why, but I like these better than the mids. I don't know, like the tongue, it looks really cool on this one. Let me try something. Because the tongue on this one, it's like much more padded than the other lows. Like I sold both of my lows, so I don't have any other to show you, but the tongue on this one, how can I show you here? It's quite padded. So you can see the carbon fiber on the swoosh only. But the best part about this one, you can see like it's black on black, and the other black is noir, black noir from the boys. Yeah, it's not me, it's written on the box. So the best part about these lows is guess. Yep, the Jordan stitching with white on the heel. Yep, this looks pretty amazing. Yeah, lows are more comfortable than the mids, I presume, but the tongue on this one is padded to an extent that you don't feel like the tongue. Like on the reverse bread, like I didn't like the tongue at all. If you own these, you can check the padding on this. Yep, it will be much more. You see, it's properly padded. Which is not the case with the previous ones. So yeah, like you can compare these with the mid. Yeah, they messed up the sizing again. Like the mid, yep, I'll show you this. Yep, I was wondering if this was the case, but yeah, this is definitely the case. So the difference is of only, yeah, let me show you from here. Not much difference, even though the mids is UK. Oh yeah, UK 9 and UK 8.5. I thought like it was UK 10. My bad. This is the end of the on-fit review. Hope you guys like it. Comment down below which pair would you prefer, like the mids or the low. I personally, like on the basis of just the padding, you see there is no padding in the mids, but the low actually has some padding on it. Like not even some, a lot of padding, making it my preference to keep. I hope if I don't get a good price, then these are mine. Oh yeah, 23 branding on the lace on the tongue, like all the SEs. Not on the reverse bread because, and not even on the mids. So hope you guys like it. Do drop down below which one do you personally prefer. If this was a matte finish like this one, it would have been great with the swoosh only in carbon fiber, but you can always get one-on-one if you want. So hope you guys like the video, and subscribe. Okay.